$48,641. That's the average price of a new car in 2025. And if you're shopping for an SUV, you're probably looking at an even steeper price tag. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend $50,000 to get a reliable, long-lasting SUV. In fact, there are several pre-owned models you can find for under $20,000. And with regular maintenance, many of these can easily go past 200,000 miles. So if you're after a dependable ride without the luxury level loan, this list is for you. And guess what? Most of these models are Consumer Reports CR recommended buys, backed by real-world owner feedback. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the 12 most reliable used SUVs under $20,000. First up, we have the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander, an underrated SUV on the pre-owned market, especially when equipped with the smooth and reliable V6 engine. Yes, there's a standard 4-cylinder and even a plug-in hybrid available. But if you're aiming for the sweet spot of power and durability, the 3.0-liter V6 is the one to get. This engine pumps out a solid 224 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that delivers confident acceleration in a relaxed highway ride. It's the kind of drivetrain that doesn't just feel good behind the wheel, it's built to go the distance. And for a V6, fuel economy holds its own, coming in at around 23 miles per gallon combined. That's respectable, especially when you factor in its 3-row versatility and available all-wheel drive. Best of all, you can find a well-maintained 2020 Outlander with the V6 comfortably under $20,000, making it a practical, capable, and surprisingly refined SUV that's often overlooked. Next is the 2019 Mazda CX-5, an SUV that stands out by genuinely feeling more premium than its price tag suggests. Mazda redesigned the CX-5 in 2017, giving it sleek styling, upscale interior materials, and driving dynamics that put some luxury brands to shame. Under $20,000, you're likely looking at the reliable and spirited 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which puts out a respectable 187 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, this combination gives the CX-5 the kind of lively performance and responsive handling that make it genuinely enjoyable behind the wheel. And fuel economy? You won't complain, with a solid 24 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway rating. Consumer Reports highly recommends the 2019 CX-5, praising its above-average reliability, great owner satisfaction, and strong safety record. So if you want a stylish, reliable SUV that's genuinely engaging to drive, finding a well-cared-for 2019 CX-5 priced just below the $20,000 mark is not only doable, it's a fantastic value. When you think about a used Honda SUV, most people jump straight to the Pilot or the CR-V, but the 2019 Honda Passport is the under-the-radar choice that quietly wins over reliability and comfort. Redesigned in 2019 for a refreshed look and enhanced practicality, it packs the same 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 and a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission found in the Pilot, delivering a driving experience that's as consistent as it is powerful. You get a respectable 21 miles per gallon combined, making it a solid option for both city commutes and highway trips. And if you're in the market, you can find a decent ride just under $20,000. It may not be the most exciting ride, but it's a solid 2-row crossover you can rely on for the longer run. Consumer Reports backs it with strong reliability scores, so you're getting a practical SUV that won't let you down. Next, we've got the 2013 to 2015 Toyota Venza, an SUV that honestly never got the love it deserved when it was new. But savvy buyers today know it's an absolute gem on the used market. Toyota gave the Venza a refresh in 2013, updating its styling with sleeker lines, improved interior materials, and better technology to keep things fresh. Under the hood, the Venza gives you 2 engine choices, but our pick is definitely the refined 3.5-liter V6 with 268 horsepower on tap. It offers confident acceleration, smooth cruising, and still manages a respectable 20 miles per gallon overall. Plus, it's a solid, reliable engine. And speaking of reliability, the 2014 Venza scored a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports and earned the title of a CR recommended used car to buy. With prices hovering between about $14,000 and $18,000, it's a top pick for smart shoppers who want reliability without breaking the bank. If you're shopping for a used SUV that blends solid reliability with a dash of luxury, the 2015 to 2016 Acura RDX deserves serious attention. This two-row SUV packs a silky smooth 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering a confident 279 horsepower and making it genuinely fun to drive. Unlike some turbocharged competitors, Acura's naturally aspirated V6 provides smooth, linear power delivery without the complexity or concerns about long-term reliability. Paired with a refined 6-speed automatic transmission, the RDX shifts seamlessly, exactly what you'd expect from Acura's thoughtful engineering. And with 23 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, the RDX strikes a solid balance between performance and efficiency. Consumer Reports has given 2013 and 2016 model years CR recommended by, backed by owners' feedback that rave about minimal mechanical headaches over the long haul. Expect to find clean, well-maintained 2015 to 2016 models priced comfortably between $15,000 and $20,000, depending on mileage and condition. Before we move on to the next SUV, if you're enjoying this video so far, take a second to hit that like button. Next up is the 2020 Subaru Crosstrek, an excellent used SUV if you're looking for reliability, practicality, and Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive capability. It's a standout choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for a vehicle under $20,000. The Crosstrek strikes a great balance between capability and efficiency. Its 2.0-liter, four-cylinder engine delivers an EPA-estimated 30 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the more fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. It also offers ample cargo space for its size, perfect for road trips or hauling gear. Consumer Reports strongly recommends the 2020 Crosstrek as a pre-owned vehicle based on owners' survey feedback. Owners often highlight its enjoyable riding dynamics and solid build quality. If you're after a small SUV that can confidently handle rough weather and occasional off-road adventures, the 2020 Crosstrek should definitely be at the top of your list. Coming in next is the 2019 Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that practically defines reliability, value, and versatility. Toyota completely redesigned the RAV4 for 2019, giving it rugged new styling, upgraded interior materials, and improved driving dynamics, making this model feel fresher and more upscale than previous generations. Every 2019 RAV4 comes powered by Toyota's trusty 2.5-liter, four-cylinder engine, producing a solid 203 horsepower. Matched with an efficient 8-speed automatic transmission, this combination delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency, averaging around 30 miles per gallon overall. Plus, whether you choose front-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive models, the RAV4 provides confident handling and comfortable cruising on the highway. Consumer Reports strongly recommends the 2019 RAV4, awarding it high marks for outstanding reliability, robust safety tech, and overall owner satisfaction. Prices for clean, pre-owned examples generally range between $18,000 and $24,500 depending on trim level, mileage, and options. Next on our list is the 2019 Honda CR-V, one of those rare vehicles that does nearly everything right. Honda last redesigned the CR-V in 2017, and by 2019, this popular compact SUV was still riding high thanks to its spacious interior, clever cargo solutions, and outstanding reputation for reliability. The CR-V comes standard with a smooth, fuel-efficient 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, but most buyers prefer the optional 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, providing 190 horsepower and strong acceleration. Both engines are paired with Honda's continuously variable transmission, delivering seamless performance and impressive fuel economy, averaging around 29 miles per gallon overall. It's another Consumer Reports recommended buy. Owners frequently highlight its comfortable ride, spacious rear seats, and class-leading cargo space. You can find clean, well-equipped 2019 CR-V models in the $18,000 to $24,000 range, depending on trim, mileage, and features. Next up is the 2022 Ford Edge, a 5-passenger SUV that balances modern features with everyday practicality. For under $20,000, you're most likely to find models equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. The Edge offers a smooth and confident driving experience while maintaining a commendable fuel efficiency, achieving an EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Consumer Reports has recognized the 2022 model year for above-average reliability, earning it the title of a CR recommended buy. Additionally, the 2022 Edge comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, enhancing its appeal as a family-friendly vehicle. You can easily find a 2022 Ford Edge under $20,000 with less than 100,000 miles. Coming in strong is the 2019 Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV that delivers reliability and value in a practical package. Hyundai refreshed the Tucson for 2019, adding sharper styling, a refined interior, and updated tech to keep it competitive. Under the hood, you'll likely find the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing a solid 161 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. It's not a speed demon, but it's dependable and gets the job done with a relaxed ride. Fuel economy is respectable at 23 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. Consumer Reports praises the 2019 Tucson for its above-average reliability and strong owner feedback, making it a CR recommended buy. Its spacious cabin and user-friendly features add to its appeal. You can snag a well-maintained 2019 Tucson for $16,000 to $19,500, making it a budget-friendly pick that doesn't skimp on quality or comfort. Next up is the 2015 Lexus RX, an upscale midsize SUV that perfectly blends luxury, reliability, and unbeatable long-term value. Lexus has always set the benchmark for quiet refinement, and the RX continues this tradition, delivering an exceptionally comfortable and serene driving experience. Powering the 2015 RX is Lexus's durable 3.5-liter V6 engine, known for its smooth performance and impressive longevity. With 270 horsepower, this engine provides confident acceleration, effortless highway cruising, and a whisper-quiet ride. Paired with a refined 6-speed automatic transmission, this combination offers seamless shifting and solid fuel economy of around 21 miles per gallon combined. But here's the real kicker. This SUV is known to easily hit 200,000 miles and beyond. Consumer Reports consistently gives it top reliability ratings, making it a no-brainer for anyone who wants luxury that lasts. Expect to find one for $16,000 to $19,500. Last but not least, the 2017 Toyota Highlander, an SUV that combines family-friendly practicality with rock-solid dependability. Toyota refreshed the Highlander significantly in 2017, giving it updated styling, a more refined interior, and advanced safety technology as standard, making this model a standout in its class. The Highlander is powered by a reliable and proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing an impressive 295 horsepower. Paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission introduced in the 2017 refresh, this combination delivers confident acceleration, effortless highway cruising, and solid fuel economy of around 22 miles per gallon combined. But what makes the Highlander especially appealing is its legendary reliability. Consumer Reports consistently gives it high marks, recommending it year after year as one of the most trouble-free SUVs you can buy. Prices for well-maintained 2017 Highlanders typically range from around $16,000 to about $24,000. All right, that's a wrap. Were you surprised by any of the SUVs on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you love keeping up with the latest car market trends, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.